Welcome to mantechhd. In this video we are showing you the all-new 2022 Ford Bronco and its production factory in Michigan assembly plant in Wayne, Michigan, USA. Ford Bronco is expected to be a carryover for the 2022 model year. The latest version of the brand's iconic SUV was reintroduced for 2021, offering a decidedly more upscale take on the rugged off-roader in both 2- and 4-door styles. It was preceded by a crossover called the Bronco Sport with mechanical similarities to the Escape. Let's see in this video about how Ford Bronco manufacture in Ford factory in USA, as well as some specification features about 2022 Ford Bronco along with its costing. Ford invested $750 million in the plant to upgrade it for the new Bronco and future Ranger, adding approximately 2,700 direct jobs in the process. Part of this investment has gone toward constructing a separate modification center where a range of accessories are fitted, such as sport bars, roof racks, graphics packages, and much more. Ford has also added pre-wired switches to the Bronco to make adding electronic accessories easy. It's hard to believe that it's been almost a year since the 2021 Bronco was first shown. Deliveries were due to start in the spring, but supplier delays related to coronavirus shutdowns meant Ford needed to push the start to summer. The 2022 Bronco is offered with a base 2.3-liter turbocharged inline-4 rated at 300 HP and 325 lb-ft of torque, with premium fuel, and an available 2.7-liter twin-turbocharged V6 with 330 HP and 415 lb-ft of torque. Buyers can choose between a 7-speed manual or 10-speed automatic, as well as between 2- and 4-door body styles. A pickup body style is also a possibility at some point. More powertrain options are also coming. A high-performance Raptor-like model has been spotted testing, and Ford has also hinted at a battery electric version. When Ford launched its reincarnated Bronco SUV last year, the new design captured the hearts and minds of just about everyone who saw it, and pre-orders flew in by the tens of thousands. In fact, at last count, the Blue Oval had over 125,000 orders on the books. Since then, the wait for the 2021 Bronco to hit the streets has been tough, with numerous hiccups leading to product changes and delays, much of it attributed to COVID-19. Now, however, it appears the wait is finally over. If we talk about its engine, transmission, and performance. Some of analysts said that it's not easy to reinvent an icon, but Ford has done it with the Bronco. After years of speculation, the Bronco made its debut for 2021, with retro-inspired styling that's a clear tribute to Bronco's past. The new Bronco looks to be not only the most capable and high-tech Bronco ever, but one that raises the bar for every off-road-oriented SUV on the market. The 2022 Bronco will be available in 2- or 4-door body styles, with standard with 4WD and removable doors and roof panels. Only 2 doors, we're confident there will be a 4-door version. We do expect the Bronco Raptor to be available with a soft top or hard top, as well as removable body panels, specifically frameless doors that Ford claims are easy to remove. It should also inherit a host of innovative features that includes exterior mirrors mounted on the base of the windshield that are still usable when the doors are taken off. Likewise, there should be a rack built into the top of its dashboard that allows smartphones and GoPros, which can be plugged into nearby 12-volt outlets, to be mounted there. If you are a reservation holder, you should be aware that dealers will require you to convert your reservation to a firm order. While current Bronco pricing starts at $28,500 with destination for the cheapest two-door style, the four-door model starts quite a bit higher at $34,695. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watching more videos of mantechhd.